Welcome back, guys, and for today we are going to talk about the best VoIP services. VoIP services revolutionize communication by offering flexible, cost-effective, and feature-rich solutions for businesses and individuals. Here are 8 top providers, each with unique strengths, catering to diverse needs from small startups to large enterprises. Whether you need global connectivity, AI-powered features, or simple affordability, there's a VoIP service to suit your requirements. Let's take a look at the list. 8x8. 8x8 offers comprehensive suite of communication solutions, including voice, video, and messaging services. It is designed for businesses of all sizes, providing strong security and global reach. The platform integrates with various business applications, enhancing productivity and collaboration. 8x8's features include call recording, analytics, and mobile access, making it a versatile choice for enterprises seeking a reliable VoIP service. RingCentral. RingCentral is a popular VoIP service known for its flexibility and ease of use. It offers a wide range of features, including instant messaging, video calling, and conference tools. The platform supports integration with popular business applications, allowing seamless communication across devices. RingCentral is ideal for businesses looking for a robust and user-friendly communication solution. Nextiva. Nextiva provides a unified communications platform with features like call management, reporting, and HD video conferencing. It is designed for businesses seeking to integrate various communication tools into a single platform. Nextiva offers excellent customer service and a user-friendly interface, making it a great choice for companies looking to streamline the communication process. Vonage. Vonage offers virtual phone numbers and supports CRM integration, making it easy for agents to connect globally. The service provides voice calling, team messaging, and video conferencing, catering to businesses of all sizes. Vonage is known for its reliability and scalability, making it a preferred choice for companies with international operations. Dialpad. Dialpad is renowned for its AI-powered communication capabilities, integrating SMS, messaging, voice, and video features into a single platform. It offers real-time transaction and call analytics, enhancing productivity and decision-making. Dialpad is suitable for businesses looking for innovative communication solutions that leverage artificial intelligence. Grasshopper. Grasshopper provides virtual phone numbers and is ideal for small businesses seeking an affordable VoIP solution. It offers essential features like call forwarding, voicemail, and toll-free numbers. Grasshopper is user-friendly and does not require any hardware, making it a convenient option for entrepreneurs and small teams. Phone.com. Phone.com offers a range of VoIP services, including voice calling, video conferencing, and mobile apps. It is known for its affordability and ease of use, making it a great choice for small businesses and startups. Phone.com provides flexible plans and a variety of features to suit different communication needs. Ooma. Ooma is known for its robust features like call blocking and voicemail transcription. It is a good choice for both residential and small business users. Ooma offers a straightforward setup process and a variety of plans to accommodate different needs. The service is reliable and provides excellent customer support, making it a popular option for users seeking hassle-free VoIP experience. In conclusion, choosing the right VoIP service depends on your specific needs, whether it's advanced features, affordability, or global reach. Evaluate each provider's offerings to find the best fit for your communication requirements and enhance your connectivity today. I hope this video is helpful for you guys. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you on the next one.